Hello friends, welcome back. So here in this lecture, we had all done with our inventory with accounts entry. But after posting all the entries, it is very important, very important to analyze the reports, that how it affects our financial statements and how we can print the reports easily. So for that, first of all, I'm taking you over in the report section from Gateway of Tally, and here you can see stock summary. So press enter over here, choose Alt F2 and select your period from 1st April till 31st March 2021. Press here Alt F1. Now here you can see the closing balances are only shown. So for all the balances, for all the transaction that needs to be reflected here in your stock summary, you need to press here Alt F12 key. Now here you can choose the options as per your requirements and as per your need. So here it is shown, show opening balances. Do you want to see the opening balance in stock summary? Yes. Do you want to see good inwards? That is, do you want to see your purchases as well? Yes. Do you want to see your outwards? That is your sales. Yes, I am choosing it. Show closing balances. Yes. Do you want to show stock item with zero quantity or zero balances? Yes, I want to see that stock as well in my stock summary. After this, just select the screen by pressing Ctrl A. Now, when you press Ctrl A over here, you can see your stock summary has been rectified and has changed its displayed options. Now here you can see opening balances, your purchases, that is your inwards, your outwards, that are your sales, and last but not the least is your closing balance that you are left with. So this is how you can see your all the stock summary. That here I can see in indoor games you have chess. Now chess, you have 20 pieces in the opening balance, 20 you purchase, that is 40 total you will have, and after that you sold 10 units, 10 pieces, and after that you are left with, your company is left with 30 pieces as the closing balance. Likewise, all the details are presented here in front of you for indoor games, outdoor games, and the mobile batteries as well. Now here is one more option, F5, for stock item wise. So you can see the stock item wise summary as well, or you can bifurcate in the previous option, that is stock group as well. So if you want to give the print over here, press Ctrl P, and you can, I'm selecting here the preview and zooming in, and here is your printout ready. You need not to create any kind of presentation or the summation sheet in your Excel. So it gives you the option to take the printout with columnar bar as well. Now the next option we have is our monthly option. Here you can see the reports as per the month as well. Now I can go here in April and I can see this detail by pressing Alt F1, and you can configure once again, and you can select here opening balances to yes, and all other details the same way we had done right now. Press Ctrl A, and here you are done with your April month only. So you can see your reports in the monthly basis as well, irrespective of the yearly details also. So for profit, you can press here F7 key, and this will show you the percentage of profit that you have earned from selling the goods. Now here you can see in the month of April, you have earned 23.20% profit from mobile batteries. If I want to see for the whole year, go to your yearly statement, press here F7 key, and here this will show you the rate of percentage, that on how much percentage, how much profit percentage you have earned the profit. And here you will see gross profit is also mentioned in front of you for each and every group as well, and every stock item wise detail as well. So is this clear to you? Are you clear with the stock summary? Now here you can print that as well. Yeah, you can go at the printing option, that is Ctrl P, and you can print the profit report also. Now in the P&L account, I can see, press Alt F1 over here, and change the period by pressing Alt F2, select here. Now here you can see your opening stock, your closing stock is also there, and your profit is also mentioned thereby. Is this clear? So this is how you can see your stock summary and your reports related to your stock summary. Now here one more option is there. You can do the aging analysis as well for the stock summary. Go to display more reports over here. Select a statement of inventory. Now here you can see the movement analysis we'll discuss in go downs, and the aging analysis. Here you can see, click here on aging analysis, take here indoor items. Now here you can see that this much quantity is left with you in less than 45 days. This is Ludo is available with you for less than 45 days. So is this clear? You can do the aging of the stock item as well. Basically, aging is done for the perishable items like milk, cheese, or medicines. In case of medicines as well, you can use the aging analysis. Why? Because there is some date of expiry also. So with aging analysis, we can see that what's the date of expiry and what's the nearest date for which medicines we have expiry dates. So those medicines are sold on the first basis, and the others, those who have expiry dates after that particular date, then we'll sell them later on as well, or we can return to the company as well by viewing the aging analysis, the age of that particular medicine, the age of that particular perishable item. Is this clear? Aging analysis is basically important in those type of stock items. Here it is not valuable. Actually, this is not meant for indoor or outdoor games, because there is nothing to get mess off or flush off. So now we have stock query over here. In the stock query, you can do the query here. You can choose chess. I am choosing here, and when you choose here the chess, each and every query of you will get resolved over here in the stock query option. Like if you want to see the purchases, you can see over here. I am changing the date from 1st till 31st March 2021. Now here you can see the last purchase date from ABC Limited is 20 pieces at the rate 180 each. You can see here the sales as well. You can see here the go down or batch details that we'll discuss later on. Now you can see the item of same category as well, that in indoor games, besides chess, what's there in indoor games, what's there in the same category. So is this clear to you? You can see each and every detail related to chess over here. That the name of the item, your group, closing balance, cost per piece, costing method that is taken over here, standard cost of that particular item, the category of that item, part number, closing value, standard selling price, market valuation method, average price, or what. So you can see, you can resolve any kind of query from this report. That is your stock query report. You can print this as well by pressing Ctrl P. I am showing you the preview over here by zooming in, and you can print this out and furnish the details to your seniors. Is this clear? And this is very interesting now. I know this report is very interesting and very, very, very useful for MIS reportings as well. You can use this report in IMS, that is managerial level statements as well. Is this clear? I hope you understood each and everything about stock.